Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I will show you how to set up a Nearby Share function on your Realme 9 Pro device. First, you need to open the control panel, then find Nearby Share here, tap and hold on it. Then you need to choose Add or Verify. Scroll down and choose Yes, I'm in. Then scroll down, and you can change the name of your device, rename it, then choose data usage mode, for example Wi-Fi only, and make your device visible for others. For example, for everyone, you can make your device visible for everyone. And that's all. Now only enable Nearby Share function, and cool. Now you can send and receive files using the Nearby Share. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.